Boiler prepping just took place. As you see, we have the sections for the million BTU boiler in place. Next, the piping. Wow, look at that big old pipe. Next, the piping will take place. Piping, and then the installation. So we got gas, flue, 24, 120, supply piping, return piping, equalizer piping, and the flue pipe installation. Close off the chimney, everything is done. Phase 4, the piping, as you can see. It's been completed. Now it's time for controls. There's the jacket, gas. Short video. 1 million BTU boiler installation. One day installation, 1 day install. D's Air and Heating Inc. We're ripping out the boiler now, as you can see. See the leakage, the problem with the boiler was. Put all the scale inside of that. See, old boy pushed all this stuff in there? Yeah. That wasn't gonna stop nothing, man. Pushing in that hole. See, look. Why my light not working?
Hey, hole right here. Yeah.
Yep. Big hole in there. Look at that. Oh, Lord. Oh, Bob, look, we found it, Bob. Oh, man. Oh, yeah, we got him. So now you see. Now we remove everything. A little bit of that. Phase 4, the piping, as you can see. It's been completed. Now it's time for controls. Finish the jacket, gas. Short video. 1 million BTU boiler installation. One day installation, 1 day install. Dees Air and Heating Inc. This is a fully completed 1 million BTU boiler. Very clean installation. This was a 1 day installation.
Yes, indeed, yeah.
But there were a few problems that had to be addressed. So we have to follow up on today. Everything is done. Chimney sealed. Perfect pitch on the piping. Steam vents at the top. So Dees Air heating installation, 1 million BTU. 1 million BTU boiler installation. Everything looking good. This is a complete version of what we do as Dees Air. Full color, full installation. 2 day installation.